Let's do the 8th main first question now. We are supposed to evaluate this using this property. So the property says if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So we'll use this identity to evaluate this. Here a is nothing but 13. B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to minus 5. So we can say that A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is nothing but this equation, is equal to 3 times A is nothing but 13, B is minus 8, C is minus 5. So minus into minus plus. So now let's find out this. So anyways the answer is going to be positive, right? 5 8s are 40, 43s are 120, multiplied by 13 is the answer. So let's find out. So 3 into 0 is 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 2 0. Answer we get is 0 6 5 1. So this is the final answer, 1560. Let's do the 8th main second question now. So like how we did previously, like that only. So that is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is also is equal to 3abc. So in this case, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 10. Let's use that. So we can say that 7 cube plus 3 cube plus minus 10 cube is equal to 3 times 7 and 3 and minus 10. So minus comes out. Here we have 7 3s are 21, 21 10s are 210, 210 multiplied by 3, I get the answer, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and minus. This is the answer. Let's do this 8th main third question. So same we have to do here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Here a is nothing but 9, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 4. So let's apply this. So we can write it as 9 cube minus 5 cube minus 4 cube is equal to 3 times 9 minus 5 into minus 4. So we have 5 9s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 45 into 3 into 4. So and this minus sign comes outside. So we can write it as 45 into 12, right? Minus sign here. So let's do this now. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 plus 45. The answer we get is 0, 14 and 5. 540 is the answer. Let's do this 8th main fourth question here. We have a is equal to 38, b is equal to minus 26, c is equal to minus 12. So we just have to do 3abc, right? 3abc, we can write it as 3 times 38 minus 26 into minus 12, which we have to be very slow in this multiplication because it's a big numbers here. So we have 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 into 38 into minus 26. Let's do these two first, right? So we can write it as 6 8s are how much? 48, right? 48. 8 3s are 24, 28. 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 10. 8, 16, 3, 13. So into minus 26 will give us 6 8s are 48. 6 6 are 36, 40, 6 3s are 18, 22, 6 1s are 6, 8. 8 2s are 16, we have, so 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 2 1s are 2. So we have 8, 6, 5, 15, 3. But there's a minus sign here. This is the answer. Let's do the 9th main now. 9th main question is a minus 1 by a is given as 3. We're supposed to find the two parts here. That is a square plus 1 by a square is equal to the value of it. And a cube minus 1 upon a cube. So square, we just square this equation what we have right now. A minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3 square. So we can write it as a square plus 1 by a square minus, because there's a minus here, minus 2 a into 1 by a is equal to 9. So which is nothing but a gets cancelled and this minus 2 goes that side. We have a square plus 1 by a square is equal to, minus becomes plus. So we can write as plus 2 plus 9. The answer you get is 11. 11 as the answer. For the second part, let's cube both the sides. We can keep it as a minus 1 by a cube is equal to 3 cube. Right? So we can write it as a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 a into 1 by a in the bracket a minus 1 by a, right, is equal to 3 cube is nothing but 27. So a cube minus 1 by a cube, here a gets cancelled. Here we will replace it with 3 and I can write it as minus 3 into 3 is nothing but minus 9 is equal to 27. Because a minus 1 by value is given as 3, right? So now a cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to, it shifts this side. So it becomes 27 plus 9, which is nothing but 36. Final answer. Let's do the 10th main now. A minus 1 by a is given as 4. We are supposed to find the 3 things here. That is a square plus 1 by a square. First part. Second part, a raised to the power 4 plus 1 by a raised to the power 4. Third part, we have a cube minus 1 by a cube. So we can do easily a square and a cube, right? Like last previous problems we can write, right? So let's square this equation. A minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4 square, right? Which is nothing but 16, right? So a minus 1 by a square, if we expand, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 a into 1 by a is equal to 16. A gets cancelled here. So we'll shift this minus 2 here. So what do we have the value for a square plus 1 by a square? It is nothing but goes there, it becomes plus 2. We get the answer as 18. Right, first part is over. So for the second part we will do it later. For the third part, we just have to cube this equation. A minus 1 by a cube is equal to 4 cube. So I'll just do it here. We have this formula, a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 a into 1 by a in the bracket a minus 1 by a, isn't it? A cube minus 1 by a cube as it is. A gets cancelled here. So a minus 1 by a value is given as 4, right? So we can write 3 4s are 12. And this side we have 4 cube is nothing but 64. So which is means a cube minus 1 by a cube. When we shift this here, we get 64 plus 12. The answer we get is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 76 is the answer. Let's do the 10th main second part. First part, we had got that a square plus 1 by a square. The value we had got it as 18. So we have to square both the sides. So a square plus 1 by a square, square of it is equal to 18 square. So now we expand it. That is a4 plus 1 by a4 plus 2 times a square into 1 by a square is equal to 18 square. 18 into 18. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. 14 plus 18. We get the answer 4, 12, 30, 324 here. Isn't it? Now a square gets cancelled. We get the value of a4 plus 1 by a4. I'm shifting it this side. We get 324 minus 2. The answer is 322. That's the final answer. Let's do the 11th main now. 11th question is, if x plus 1 by x is given as 2, we have to show that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x4 plus 1 by x4. So let's do each and everything. First thing, let's square this equation what we have already, right? So let's square this. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 square, right? So here let's expand it. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2x into 1 by x is equal to 4. So here x square plus 1 by x square, x gets cancelled. So this 2 goes that side, it becomes minus 2, right? 4 minus 2, answer we get is 2. This is the first part. Let's do the second part. For that we will cube this particular equation, right? So x plus 1 by x cube is equal to 2 cube. Let's open up this x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x in the bracket x plus 1 by x, right, is equal to 8. X gets cancelled and x plus 1 by x value is given as 2. I'll replace it. So x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 8. So when plus 6 goes that side, it becomes minus 6. The answer we get is 2. This is the value for x cube plus 1 by x cube, isn't it? Now for the third part, I'm going to do it here. See, now can you compare this? X square plus 1 by x square is also 2 here, and x cube plus 1 by x cube is also 2. So let's do the third part, that is x4 plus 1 by x4. We have this equation that is x square plus 1 by x square as 2. Let's square both the sides. So I get x square plus 1 by x square. Square both the sides, I get 4 here. So now I'll just do the things here. So now when we expand it, x4 plus 1 by x4 plus 2 times x square into 1 by x square is equal to 4. So x square gets cancelled, plus 2 goes here, it becomes minus 2. We get x4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 is equal to 2. So look at this, everything is 2, 2, 2. We can directly say that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to with this x4 plus 1 by x4, which is nothing but everything is 2. Let's do the 12th main now. 12th question is, if 2x minus 3y is given as 10 and xy is given as 16, we are supposed to find the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube. So we have this equation, so we have to cube both the sides. So 2x minus 3y whole cube is equal to 10 cube. So let's expand it. That will be 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 3 times 2x into 3y, right, in the bracket 2x minus 3y is equal to, what is 10 cube here? 1000, right? Now, so this as it is, 8x cube minus 27y cube as it is. Here we can replace this part with the 10 here, and we get the answer 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 xy in the bracket 10 here is equal to 1000. Xy value is given as 16 here. So let's find out that. So 16 into 18, let's work it out here. 18 into 16, 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6 and 10. So 18, the answer we get is 288. So we have 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 288 into 10 will give me 2880 is equal to 1000, isn't it? Now if we shift this thing here, it will become plus. So what do we have the value for 8x cube minus 27y cube is equal to, this goes here, it becomes plus. So we can just add it and keep it. 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 0, 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. This is the answer for 8x cube minus 27y cube.